Hey everybody, welcome back. We've made our nail header, so now let's make some nails. We start with 1/4 inch round stock. You can start with square stock, but I just happen to have round stock on hand. We need to taper this to fit into our nail header, which just happens to be slightly smaller than 1/4 inch. You have to rotate the stock evenly as you're tapering through the nail. Keep everything straight as you can. When you cut the nail off, you need to rotate the stock so to cut evenly. Make sure that you cut it through far enough to where you can easily break off the nail. When you hammer straight down to put the head on. Several times the head of the nail will wander to one side or the other, which this is fine, it's just not pretty. Now let's make another one. I'm just going to be quiet during this one so you can observe the process in full. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you see, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see made next in the comments.